Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul is staring at Coal India's chart. He notices something beautiful. The price is moving up, but not in a straight line. It is bouncing up to a line, back down to another line. Up again, back down again. Like a ball bouncing between two walls. These two walls are parallel. They are both sloping upward. Rahul has just discovered channel. And channels are one of the most reliable trading patterns in the market. Rahul trade channels. Coal India. A channel is two parallel trend lines. Think of it as a highway for price. The upper line is the resistance trend line. Price hits it and turns down. The lower line is the support trend line. Price hits it and bounces up. Both lines have the same slope. They are parallel. Price travels inside this highway, bouncing from wall to wall. The wider the channel, the bigger the trading opportunity. The more touches on each line, the more valid the channel. An ascending channel has both lines sloping upward. This is bullish. The overall trend is up, but price does not go straight up. It zigzags. Higher highs at the upper line, higher lows at the lower line. The strategy is simple. Buy when price bounces off the lower channel line. Your stop goes just below the channel. Your target is the upper channel line. You're trading with the trend and buying at the best possible price within that trend. A descending channel has both lines sloping downward. This is bearish. Lower highs at the upper line, lower lows at the lower line. For short sellers, this is a gift. Short when price bounces off the upper channel line. Cover at the lower channel line. You are trading with the downtrend and entering at the best price. For most retail traders, the safest approach is to simply avoid descending channels and wait for a breakout. A horizontal channel is what most traders call a range. Support is flat. Resistance is flat. Price bounces between them like a ping-pong ball. Buy at support, sell at resistance. This is the simplest version of channel trading. The key is patience. Wait for price to reach the line. Do not chase in the middle of the channel. The middle is no man's land. The edges are where the money is made. Coal India. 280 rupees. Rahul draws the channel. For clear touches on the upper line. For clear touches on the lower line. Both lines are sloping upward. A textbook ascending channel. The channel has been active for 3 months. Each bounce off the lower line has produced a 15 to 20 rupee move to the upper line. Rahul waits for the next touch of the lower channel line. Price pulls back to the lower channel line at 275. Rahul sees a bullish candle form right at the support line. He enters at 275. Stop loss goes 5 rupees below the channel at 268. Target is the upper channel line at 310. Risk is 7 rupees per share. Reward is 35 rupees per share. That is a 1 to 5 risk-reward ratio. One of the best setups Rahul has ever taken. Channels do not last forever. Eventually, price breaks out. When price breaks above the upper channel line on strong volume, it signals trend acceleration. The move after a channel breakout is often equal to the width of the channel. When price breaks below the lower channel line, it signals a trend reversal or at minimum a deeper correction. A channel break is not a failure of your analysis. It is the next chapter. Recognize it, adapt, and move on. Coal India bounces off the lower channel line exactly as Rahul expected. 280, 290, 300, 305. Rahul exits at 308, just below the upper channel line. Profit 33 rupees per share on 30 shares. 990 rupees. The channel trade. Simple geometry. 2 parallel lines. Buy the bottom, sell the top. Repeat until the channel breaks. Rahul's channel trading rules. 1. A valid channel needs at least 3 touches on each line. 2. Buy at the lower line in ascending channels. 3. Sell or short at the upper line in descending channels. 4. Always place stops outside the channel. 5. Take profits before the opposite channel line, not at it. 6. When the channel breaks, do not fight it. Accept the new reality and look for the next setup. Channels are the market's highway. Price bounces between the walls. If you see the walls, you see the trade. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.